This video is about the Netflix season El Chapo, and I'm going to upload all the seasons of El Chapo in second YouTube channel as soon as possible, and I will also give the link of second channel in description, so please stay tuned with us. The real name of El Chapo is Joaquin Archibaldo Guzman Loera. He was born on 25th December 1954 in Mexico, believed to have been married at least 3 times and having 12 or 13 kids. He was broken out of jail and recaptured in 2016, and he facing trial till today. Former leader of the Sinaloa cartel, which the US Justice Department described as one of the world's most prolific, violent and powerful drug cartel, he was able to continue running the Sinaloa cartel in prison through bribes. El Chapo controlled roughly 40% to 60% of Mexico drug trade, with earnings of at around $3 billion annually. Claimed in 2014 that El Chapo has killed 2,000 to 3,000 people. He was semi-illiterate because he studied only up to 3rd grade. He is known for using intricate tunnel system for both evading authorities and moving the massive quantities of drug that made his company Sinaloa cartel so powerful. His cartel has produced, smuggled and distributed marijuana, heroin, cocaine and other type of drugs. There have been charges brought against El Chapo in 10 legal cases in Mexico, as well as federal charges in Arizona, California, Texas, Illinois, New York, Florida, and New Hampshire. In 1960s, he began planting marijuana with his cousin. In 1970s, he running to distribute to major cities of Mexico and US border and start working with major drug traffickers. In 1980s, he became the most prolific drug dealer of Mexico. In 1992, he killed 6 police officers. In 1993, he was arrested for charge of murder, kidnapping, and drug dealing. In 2002, the violence in Mexico reaches at high point, and El Chapo covered many territory around Mexico for his drug distributing area. In 2001, he escaped from prison by bribing of $2.5 million. In 2004, US government announced a $5 million reward for information leading to El Chapo. In 2008, El Chapo's son was killed, and in 2009, he was charged of import more than 264,000 pounds of cocaine into US. In 2014, El Chapo was arrested at a beach resort in Mexico. Now, El Chapo and his family facing charges. So thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe our channel.